Greetings to all, and welcome to the virtual classes of English Literature for Class 4. This is the virtual classes of Divine Public School, Mohanapur, Gorakhpur. Today, we are going to start our next lesson, that is lesson number 6, The Selfish Giant. It is written by Oscar Wilde. Lesson 6, The Selfish Giant, written by Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was an Irish poet and playwright. He was born on October 16 in 1854. He was one of the most popular playwrights in London in the early 1890s. He was also known for his many stories, novels, plays, and poems. Let us read a story that is The Selfish Giant. Let us find out how a selfish giant changed into a friendly and caring person. Here we begin. Every afternoon, the children used to go and play in Giant's garden. The giant was not there. He had gone to meet his friend. It was a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. There were beautiful flowers that grew on the grass like stars. There were 12 peach trees in the garden. The birds sang sweetly on the trees, and children listened to them in delight. They said to each other, "How happy we are here." The giant stayed with his friend for 7 years. One day he decided to come back to his castle. When he came back, he saw the children playing happily in his garden. "What are you all doing here?" he cried in a gruff voice. The frightened children just ran away. "My own garden is my own garden," said the giant, "and I will allow nobody to play in it but myself." Every afternoon, the children used to go and play in the giant's garden. That is the place where the children used to find their luxury time while playing. He was not there, so the children used to play without any hesitation. And the giant, he went to his meet friend. The giant was not at all there, that's why children used to play there. He went to meet his friend. The garden was very large, lovely, beautiful, with soft green grass, beautiful flowers in it. There were beautiful flowers along with 12 peach trees in the garden. The bird used to sing sweet songs on the trees. The children used to listen to them with delight, means with pleasure. They used to talk among themselves that how happy they are here in this garden and playing. The giant who went to meet his friend, he stayed over there for 7 years. Then one day he decided to return back to his castle. And when he returned to his castle, he saw that there were small children who were playing happily in his beautiful, lovely garden. Then he shouted in very rough and harsh voice and said, "What are you all doing here?" After listening his voice, children got frightened, means they were totally scared, afraid. Then again he spoke in his harsh voice that his garden is his own garden and no one is allowed to play there. And if someone is allowed, then that it is he himself. The children were frightened and afraid, and they ran away. He shouted aloud by saying, "It is his own garden and no one is allowed except him." Children got scared, they ran away. So he built a high wall all around it and put up a notice board: "Trespassers will be prosecuted." He was a very selfish giant. Now the poor children had nowhere to play. They wandered around the high walls when their got over and talked about the beautiful garden inside. Then came spring, and all over the country there were blossoms and the birds. Only in the garden of the giant it was winter with snow and frost. The birds did not care to sing in it as there were no children, and the trees forgot to blossom. After this, he built a very high wall all around his castle and garden and put up a notice board that trespasser will be prosecuted, which means a person who will be entering someone's land or a property without any information or permission, then on that person legal action will be imposed or taken. He was very selfish giant, means a person who is thinking about only about himself, their own needs or wishes, not about the others. And the giant means an extremely large, strong person. That's why he was a very selfish giant, thinking about himself and thinking about his own garden, as it is his own garden and he is only allowed to be there playing or living. He was too strong, large person. That's why children were scared. Now the small poor children, they had no place to play. They used to roam around the high walls around the castle and garden as they used to return from school. And they talk about that how beautiful the garden is inside. Then the spring season arrived all over the country. There were flowers and birds all around. Only in the garden of giant there was still winter with snow and frost. Frost means a thin layer of ice on the ground. The birds were not coming to sing in its garden, as there were no children, and also trees forgot to bloom, means trees were without flowers and fruit. It is not at all growing in it. Spring season means the season of new beginning. Fresh birds bloom, birds used to chirp, the earth seems to come into life again. That's why everyone used to wait for spring season. But in Giant's garden, it was still winter with snow and frost. And all over the country, there was a spring season. Bird also did not care to come in the garden of Giant, as there were no children. I cannot understand why spring is so late in coming, said the selfish giant, as he sat at the window and looked out at his cool white garden. I hope there will be a change in weather soon. But a spring never came, nor did summer. One morning, when the giant woke up, he heard some lovely music. It was a little bird singing outside his window. It seemed to him the most beautiful music in the world. A nice perfume reached him, hoping that a spring had come to his garden at last. The giant jumped out of the bed and looked out. What did he see? He saw the most wonderful sight. Through a hole in the wall, the children had crept in, and they were sitting in the trees. The trees were so glad to have the children back again that they had covered themselves with the blossoms. The birds were flying around, chirping with delight, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. Some children were playing on the grass. It was a lovely scene. Only in one corner of the garden it was still winter. A very small boy was crying as he could not reach up to the branches of a tree. Then one day, the selfish giant was speaking to himself while sitting near his window looking outside the white cold garden. He spoke that why the spring season is so late in coming. He was looking out to his cold white garden and he was hoping that there will be a change in the weather soon. But the spring and the summer they never came. Then one morning when the giant was sleeping, he woke up with the sound which was very soothing and lovely music. It was a little bird singing outside his window. It was the most beautiful music in the world for him. Then a nice perfume, means a sweet, nice fragrance of flower, also reached to him. He suddenly thought that the spring had arrived in his garden. At last, he jumped out of the bed to look outside. But what did he see? He saw the most wonderful sight, that means a most wonderful scene, that the through a hole in a wall which he built around the garden and the castle, children are coming inside through that hole. They are moving very slowly and silently and they are coming inside the garden. And they were sitting on the trees. The trees of the garden, they were too happy to have children back again. Therefore, they have covered themselves with the beautiful flowers. They were blooming. The birds were flying, chirping, singing with pleasure, delight, and flowers were looking so fresh, looking up through the green grass. They also bloomed, means they were started coming out. The birds were blooming. They were also happy, laughing, seeing the children happy faces. Some of children were playing on the grass. It was the most beautiful scene, a lovely scene. Only in one corner of the garden it was still winter because a very small child, a small boy, was crying as he was not able to reach up to the branches of a tree. As the giant looked at this child, his heart melted. How selfish I have been, he said. Now I know why spring did not come here. I will knock down the wall, and my garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. He was really very sorry for what he had done. So he crept downstairs and opened the front door quite softly and went out into the garden. But when the children saw him, they were so scared that they all ran away. Only the little boy in the corner did not run. His eyes were full of tears, and he did not see the giant coming. The giant gently picked him up and put him on a branch of the tree. Birds came and sang on the tree, and there were blossoms on it again. Then the giant saw that there was a small child in the corner of the garden. He was crying because he was not able to reach up to the branches of the tree. His heart melted, and he said to himself that how selfish he became. Now he understood why the spring was not on time, why it did not come early. Then he said that he will knock down the wall, and my garden will be the children's garden forever. He realized his mistake, and he thought he was sorry that it was his mistake. It was him only who became selfish. That's why spring was not on time. He will break down the wall, and my garden will be children's playground forever. And he was really, really sorry for what he did earlier. So he crept, means he came down very slowly and carefully and opened the front door quietly and softly. And he went into the garden. But as children saw him, they started running as they were scared and afraid of him. Only the little boy in the corner of the garden could not run as his eyes were full of tears and was not able to see the giant was coming to him. Then giant moved slowly towards him and gently he picked him up and made him sit on the branch of the tree. Birds started coming over that tree. They started singing, chirping, and the flowers also bloomed and they smiled again on it. The little boy flung his arms around the giant's neck and kissed him. When the other children saw that the giant was not wicked any longer, they came running back, and along with them came spring. It's your own garden now, little children, said the giant. He took a big hammer and knocked down the wall. All day long, the children played in the garden, and in the evening, they came to the giant to bid him goodbye. Every afternoon, when school was over, the children came and played with the giant. Years passed by. As the giant grew old, he sat on a chair and watched the children playing. He would say, I have many beautiful flowers, but the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. The little boy threw his arms around the giant's neck. He hugged him and kissed him. After seeing this, other children they also came back running in the giant's garden, and they've understood that he is now no more wicked, means a bad or wrong person or a selfish. They all came running back, and along with him, the spring also came. It is your own garden from now, my dear little children, said the giant. Then he took a big hammer and knocked on the wall, means he broke down the wall which he built. All day the children played in his garden, and in evening they came to the giant to say goodbye. Now, every afternoon, when school gets over, the children came to play in the garden with Giant. Year passed. Now Giant was old. Now he used to sit on the chair and used to watch the children playing. He used to say that He had many beautiful flowers, but the children are the world's most beautiful flowers of all. He used to say that he had many beautiful flowers, but the children are the world's most beautiful flowers of all. So, students, I hope you all understood this story. So, the moral of the story is never ever become selfish or wicked. Be the one with the helping nature and try to be generous. Now, it's time for difficult words. Difficult words: delight, sight, gruff, crept, trespasser, chirping, prosecutor, scared, wandered, flung, blossoms, wicked, country, hammer, spring, knocked. Now the home assignment: read the lesson twice, learn all the difficult words and word meaning from book. Students, stay safe. Thank you.